Hello everyone, Levi Spade here, back again with another video. You're a diversified investor. Hey, today I'm talking about a company that is solving a problem, and that is we all have these in our pockets on a daily basis, and we're looking to personalize them and make them ours and make them unique, different from everyone else. And the way we're able to do that is by the case that we put on it, say the wallpaper, the ringtones we have, and the videos that we might have on the phone. Lately, this has become a very popular industry. Sure, there might be other ways that you can personalize your phone, whether it just be through the iOS or Android or whatever phone you may have. But where is a central place that you can download and grab content that really fits your style and you're able to personalize your phone to the T? Well, this is the company Zedge, and Zedge is really trying to solve this problem and be the solution. This is a company that is fairly new. It started in 2008, and they've just been pouring money into this business to get up and going. Zedge operates a digital publishing and content platform worldwide. It enables people like you and I to personalize their mobile device with ringtones, wallpapers, home screen app icon, widgets, and notification sounds. Now what they do is they allow people to create content and then have it available on their platform for users to download and then use on their device. So this becomes a powerful tool, and you can think of it like a digital version of Etsy, where on Etsy you're able to get, say, the same products you might be able to get on Amazon or any other online retail store, but you're able to have it personalized a little bit. So you're able to personalize if you really like The Matrix, or if you really like Pokemon, if you really like funk. You're able to personalize and tailor your design of exactly what kind of wallpaper, what kind of ringtones, what kind of videos are on your device. Its market cap is around $154 million. Its 52-week range is 97 cents all the way up to $16.94. Its 1-year estimate is all the way up to $24. Its PE ratio trailing 12 months is 40. Its EPS trailing 12 months is 28 cents. The next earnings date expected to be around early June. Looking at the chart, in the past month, it's gone down 17% at the time of this recording. Past 6 months, it's gone up 200%, and then the last year, it's gone up 900%. I can see it now. You're out somewhere and you pick up somebody's phone and everything about that device screams, say, Fortnite or Game of Thrones or Harry Potter or even a Marvel character. Wouldn't that just be really cool? One day I'm going to customize my phone, and Zedge is going to be the place for me to do that. Users, I think, are going to expect a lot more from their devices. I could see in the very near future, if you get, say, a new device, and as soon as you unbox it, you start up the device, you want to personalize it right away. I can see clearly a company being able to make that possible. Say you want it to be everything Superman related or Game of Thrones, then within a few taps of the device, it's personalized. Everything about the lock screen to the ringtone is going to be around that particular theme. Zedge, I think, is at a very important time in history where software is really able to enhance the experience of the user with a device. In looking at the three brokers that I look at when researching stocks, TD Ameritrade, Yahoo Finance, and Webull, they all have one analyst. Now, they all have the same price target of 24. Now, the only one that shows me who that analyst is TD Ameritrade, and they show that the street is the one that rated this stock as a buy. If you look at the revenue and earnings chart here in Yahoo, you can see it's a very steady improvement each quarter. In looking at Zedge's quarterly earnings that are for Q2 of 2021, we can see that the total revenue is really improving. Year over year, it's doubled. Their net income has also improved and is 17 times better than the year before. This is what investors are really looking at, and why YoY, year over year acronym, is so important and why many people look at it. It really does show the change in a company over a period of 1 year. This is a good measuring stick for a company to find out if they're really headed in the right direction or if there's other problems going on. This is a product people are seeking, and if the revenue is increasing, then that really shows. As long as investors see the growth, they'll continue pouring money into this investment. What is incredible to see is Zedge has 30 million active users, and they have over 43 million downloads for the app, and they have top tier content creators contributing to their platform. Users are really able to benefit from these creators, put custom made designs and wallpaper on their mobile devices. For you as an investor, when is a good time to buy? Is Zedge a good company to invest in right now? Well, I think the answer is yes. This is a good pullback in the market for Zedge. I think the stock price is at a good discount and you could start contributing towards this particular position. Now, I would say that it's been trading in a range for the past 3 months. You want to be able to draw the support and resistance for this range that the stock price has been in. What that means is if the stock price stays above the support, then you're okay. Now, if it dips below it, then you're going to want to look to scale out of the position and put your money elsewhere. What do I think of this stock overall? I downloaded the Zedge app and started using it right away. Downloaded some wallpapers, some ringtones, and even some of the short videos they had. I really enjoyed the whole experience. It was very simple to use. Now, I was able to grab some personalized content that fits my style and able to put it on my mobile device. So I used it ever since, and the wallpaper that I got from Zedge is still on the device. Zedge is addressing a problem that users have, which is to personalize their device and stylize it as much as they want. I'd love to hear what you guys think of Zedge and if it's going to be in your portfolio. This is a software stock. This is one of those situations that is a company that is in its beginning stages. This could be a good opportunity for you to get into a company when the stock price is only at $11 a share. This could easily become $100 in the years to come. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next video.